We begin tonight with a rally outside Republican Congressman David Valadao's district office to protest potential cuts to entitlement programs like Social Security and Medicare. Tonight's rally is a continuation of concerns among local constituents that the agenda of President Donald Trump and Republicans in Congress to cut federal funding could have local repercussions. Let's go live now to 17's Jenny He, who joins us from the rally with more. Jenny, good evening.
Tammy, good evening. Called Hands Off Our Healthcare, this is the second rally held outside Congressman Valadao's office to protest those potential cuts to programs like Medicare and Medicaid. Now, these concerns stem from a February House Republican budget proposal, which Valadao voted for. And that proposal basically states that the House Republicans want to cut $880 billion in programs overseen by Congress's Energy and Commerce Committee. The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office says such a massive cut likely cannot happen without cutting Medicaid, Medicare, and other such programs. That is why people are out here. They don't like the potential these programs can be cut as lawmakers work on a new budget. I want to emphasize these cuts are up in the air. Nothing is finalized, and Congress and President Trump just passed a temporary spending bill to keep the government open and funded through the end of September. But voters, again, are concerned that in the future, when budget conversations pick up again, there is an opportunity for those entitlement cuts. I spoke with political insiders on what this all means for Valadao's political future. Take a listen.
Valadao's district, 2/3 of the people are on Medicaid, the residents. That is huge number. So he has to somehow navigate that with his party in D.C., but not let down his own constituents here in Central Valley.
The specificity of these cuts does not exist yet, right? So everything that we're talking about so far is mostly rhetoric. Congressional Democrats are using this as a bludgeon against anyone in a competitive seat.
Now, it's tricky for Valadao because he's in such a competitive purple district. That means a Democrat or Republican has a fair shot of winning, so candidates need to appeal to both parties. Valadao has stayed relatively quiet. 17 News has requested interviews and comment multiple times, only to be denied. Valadao did say this about his vote on the continuing resolution.
There's been a lot of political rhetoric about what this upcoming budget resolution does and does not do. And I want to be clear on where I stand. My district also has one of the highest Medicaid populations in the nation. I've heard from countless constituents who tell me the only way they can afford health care is through programs like Medicaid. And I will not support a final reconciliation bill that risks leaving them behind.
Now, tomorrow morning, there will be another rally held here by Dignity Health Bakersfield Memorial Hospital nurses. Live for 17 News, I'm Jenny He.